Hi. Hi. How are you? You know what? I miss you very, very much. Rabbit, that was such a nice thing to say. I was thinking of saying the same thing. I miss you very, very much, and I wish I was with you. Rabbit and I are happy to be with you on this. Do you know what day of the week it is? It is. Oh, it's Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow is Tuesday. I think I'm going to try singing a song about it. Rabbit, should we sing a song about it? Even though we haven't sung a good morning song? Yeah, okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today's Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today is Monday, the first day of the school week. So let's start our regular song. Are you ready? It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. Hello to Rabbit, happy to be with you. Hello to our friend Bluebird. We're changing its name to Bluebird. Someone corrected me. Happy to be with you. Hello to our friend Llama. Happy to be with you. Hello to our friend Lizard. Happy to be with you. Hello to our friend Turtle. Happy to be with you. Hello to you. Happy to be with you. Hello, Teacher Kate. Happy to be with you. And we have a new friend out there. Can you guys say hello to Ruben? Happy to be with you. Welcome to our class. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. Can you clap with me? I can clap with you. Can you play peekaboo? Pika, 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 boo! I can play peekaboo. Pika, 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 boo! Can you pull on your ear? Oh, I can pull on my ear. Can you wash your hands now that you touched your face? I can wash my hands now that I touched my face. Wash, 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 wash. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. Woo! I just really want to thank my friend Monica, Miss Monica, the music teacher, for sharing that song with me so I could share it with you. So today we're going to ring our bells. We talked about how it's Monday, and yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow is Tuesday. I love how those bells remind me to breathe inside and out. There were 5 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a girl with a penny to pay, and she took a bunny and she ran away. And then there were 4 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a boy with a penny to pay, and he took a bunny and she ran away. There were 3 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came someone with a penny to pay, and they took a bunny and they ran away. There were 2 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a bunny. What? No, along came 2 twins with 2 pennies to pay, and they took the bunnies and they ran away. There were no little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a teacher with a penny to pay, but whoops, there were no bunnies, so she went away. We ready to stand up? I think so. Let's stand up. Whoa! The robin took off. Here we go. Are you ready? Like a leaf or a feather in this windy, windy weather, I whirl around and twirl around, and we all fall down together. Doo-doo. Like a leaf or a feather in this windy, windy weather, we whirl around and twirl around, and all fall down together. Are you ready to do some yoga moves? Ooh, let's stretch. Let's stretch up. Oh, we're growing up like a tree. Ooh, we could stand in tree pose because I still just like tree pose so much. So remember our story about the old lady? The old lady who was climbing the mountain. Remember the mountain? Toes together. And the lady went up the mountain so she could see a really nice view of the stars. And then she made her star pose and sang, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." And then the old lady walked a little bit further up the mountain, and then she looked up in the sky, and she saw the moon, and it was in a crescent shape. And then she looked, and it was on another day when she went, it was on the other side of the crescent. Whew. Wow. And then she went back down the mountain. Let's do the mountain again. Okay. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, an old man who said to me, "Have you been to Jumping Land, Jumping Land, Jumping Land? Have you been to Jumping Land, wherever you may be?" Why? Yes, I've been to Jumping Land, Jumping Land, Jumping Land. Yes, I've been to Jumping Land, wherever I may be. Whew. Okay, I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, have you been to Running Land, Running Land, Running Land? Have you been to Running Land, wherever you may be? Why, yes, I've been to Running Land, Running Land, Running Land. Yes, I've been to Running Land, wherever I may be. Whoa! Did you notice I ran forwards and backwards? What? Let's see. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, an old man who said to me, have you been to Turning Land, Turning Land, Turning Land? Have you been to Turning Land, wherever you may be? Woo! Why, yes, I've been to Turning Land, Turning Land, Turning Land. Yes, I've been to Turning Land, wherever I may be. Woo! That was fun. Okay, one more. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, an old man who said to me, have you been to backwards land, backwards land, backwards land? Have you been to backwards land, wherever you may be? Why? Yes, I've been to backwards land, backwards land, backwards land. Yes, I've been to backwards land, wherever I may be. So maybe today in your comments on this circle, you could write an idea you have for me to do, and tomorrow I could do it. So if you want to go, whatever land you want us to go to, like skipping land or galloping land or painting land, or any idea you have, robot land, we could do anything. So write in the comments and I'll do that one. Okay? And let's sing our last song. I'm gonna have the rabbit go around. Ready? Round and round the earth is turning, turning always round till morning, and from morning round till night. Circle time is over, is over, is over. Circle time is over. Go do lots of fun things today. Bye.